Open the app and tap Start. You will be taken to the MyMedL webpage. If you already have a MyMedL account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, tap Sign Up at the bottom. Fill out the form to sign up. Look over the main account policy. If you agree with the policy and want to proceed with setting up a MyMedL account, select Register. Now you can use your credentials to log in. Look over the other policies. Check the boxes to confirm if you agree with them. Then tap Save. Type in your name, select your country, and tap Save.